আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত। আজকে সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার এপিসোড নাম্বার 159। আর আজকের এপিসোড হচ্ছে আমাদের খুব প্রিয় ঢাকাইয়ের ওপর, বেঙ্গল কটন সফট ঢাকাই দেখাবো। পুজোর আগে বিশেষত এই উইভগুলোর চাহিদাটা একটু বেশি যেন বেড়ে যায়, সুতরাং দেখুন, দেখতে থাকুন, আশা করি ভালো লাগবে। কিছু নতুন সফট বেঙ্গল কটন ঢাকাই দেখাবো। শুরু করার আগে আমি আজকে আমার কাছে কিছু লিনেন উইভ ছিল, সেটা ঢাকাই উইভই, করাত উইভের ওপর। সো ওটা দিয়ে একটু শুরু করি, তারপর আমি ঢাকাইতে যাব। এটা প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 13990-1A, সিঙ্গেল পিস, খুব এক্সক্লুসিভ উইভ বলে ভাবলাম এই এপিসোডে দেখিয়ে দিই। লিনেনের ওপর ক্রস কালার, আর পুরোটা না সিলভার জারি দিয়ে করাত জামদানি ঢাকাই উইভ, all over জামদানি করাত weave. It's a kind of a weave, this kind of weave, we call it korat weave, and it is done in silver zari in linen, Bengal linen. This is the pallu part. This is product number 1A. Single piece I have in this, so thought of showing it in the jamdani weave because this is jamdani weave in linen, and it has a poppin blue contrast solid color, stable handloom blouse piece. This is the sari. It's a very rich weave in linen and very reasonably priced. I don't know why my weaver is saying that he can't make the same color anymore, so thought of just, it's very much in demand in the branch. I mean, in the stores, in the racks, these sell so well, so I haven't shown it in the episodes, but thought of just giving a glimpse of what we have other than what I show in the YouTube and the Facebook page also. So this product number A was in that dark blue color. This is B3990 again in bottle green. Very soft linen with all over silver jari Meena Korat Jamdani weave. All 3990. This is in dark, very dark bottle green or moss green, you can say, with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, solid color with the border. The blouse is not in linen, it is in stable, but the weave has been done together. Ideal for gifting also. It's very soft and comfortable. Linen, Bengal linen. Number 3, black and silver. With again very pretty Meena weave all over. You can wear it with a mustard blouse, you can wear it with a red blouse. All will look very pretty, all the blouses will look nice. Silver stripe churi aanchol. And black blouse piece with the silver border. And here is the sari. Extremely smart looking sari. Only 3,990 rupees. Pallu. Purple. It's a burgundy color. This is D1D. $3990 again. Blouse piece. Body. The last one of this weave, this color. Rich dark maroon. All similar korat weave in silver zari. Bengal linen, lovely, gorgeous, rich weave, only 3,990 rupees. With again rich maroon blouse piece. The part that you tuck will be plain. Let me tell you that, I haven't explained it to you before. After the pleat, in between the pleat, the weave will come. The rest half, this part will be solid color, only the border. Then from the pleat, the weave will come. So it's little more than the half and half concept. The blouse will be solid plain color. Now coming to muslin jamdani. Very lightweight, soft muslins. Peach color. Gold zari border. Jamdani weave. Pallu. This is product number 23990. Woven pallu, body with buta. Little butas, jamdani little butas in black and white, alternate throughout, and a solid gold color. It doesn't have a blouse piece. Even if it has, it's best to wear it with a plain peach color blouse or a black and white printed blouse. A close neck black and white printed blouse will look very nice, or also you can wear it with a same peach color blouse. It's slightly sheer, but this is what the get-up is all about in muslin. 3,990 rupees for this. I have a few more colors, very reasonably range. But yes, this is not silk muslin, this is slightly blended. Hence the range is much cheaper, but very good quality and very lightweight. Lemon. Sometimes you really need a little reasonable range, pocket budget friendly products with a look of a very gorgeous sari, and here are those very simple sari but with a very different traditional look. See the lovely white and black weave in the pallu, the body with buta, the color lemon, and the solid gold woven border. And yes, again you can wear it with a same lemon color blouse, or once again the pallu part for you, same lemon color blouse or a black and white printed blouse. Now coming to a grey color in the same weave, but the design will change. This is also a very nice color combination in grey color. And grey with the solid gold border. This is looking really pretty. With pink and white booties all over, jamdani booty, jamdani rich woven pallu, soft muslin, 3,990 rupees for this too. I hope I'm correct, right? Yes, 3,990 without blouse piece. Now coming to Bengal cotton soft dhakai without blouse piece, Meena Buta, white and yellow. The last dhakai episode I have got tremendous response. Even till today I am getting orders for that. See, this is a very pretty all over, very close butas throughout. See the weave, white and yellow. With weaves of blue. Here is the pallu part for you so that you can have a proper look and how it looks. And the price of this is, I think, 3250. All the prices is mentioned in the screenshot. In case I've missed out any, kindly check the screenshot of the product. It's mentioned in each post. Soft little green color. Very soothing, very pretty color. It's in monotone with gold zari. 3250. All over, small booties all over in gold and monotone solid color. Shades of green. And here is the sari. See how rich this color is looking. Wear it with the same color blouse, or again printed blouses look very pretty. I had shown many printed blouses Dhaka in the previous episodes. We have printed blouses, blouse pieces. If you want, we can mix and match with printed cotton blouses for you, or also you can just wear it, but for that you have to give us time before the pujas. Maybe always not possible, but maybe after that we can, organize some lovely printed blouses for you with this. Now here is a greyish powder blue color. Lovely uncommon shade. It's a very rare color. It's a talc color. Beautiful color. Wow, what an uncommon color combination, and that too with copper zari. It's powder blue color. 3250, product number 7. Copper zari with red and white Meena Buta. Very pretty, and this range and soft cotton Dhakai without blouse piece. With this, go for a solid red color. Stunning piece. Three, 2, 5. See, against red, against a red blouse, how pretty this will look. I have another shade of green. That was more of a lighter shade. This is a bit darker shade. Yeah, I'll just show the difference in the color. Very little difference, but yes, there is a difference. This is parrot green and that is lime green. Gold zari. Pallu. Another very pretty color, again 3250 minimum range, and look very, very gorgeous. Copper zari, white, off-white with pink pallu. Contrast pink pallu, 3250, all over dark navy, blackish color you would say. Charcoal black and pink copper zari buta. Some exclusive dhakais for you before the pujas. I'm glad I could make an episode before we wind up for the pujas. This is the pallu part. Very pretty color combination. Now coming to something again different. Two-tone snuff color with yellow weave. Product, this is 3650, 3650 rupees, product number 10. Very, very rich weave. Very gorgeous, very rich weave. Again, lovely rich woven pallu, the border, the body. The actual color of this sari is very uncommon. This is the actual color, snuff color, two-tone. Wear it with a same snuff color blouse or a golden yellow blouse, or a black blouse would also look nice if you want to hurry up. Pallu, 3650 for this. Now coming to another very gorgeous weave, the one that I am wearing. I'll show you some very pretty geometric korat weave in this. Puro bharati bunui kora. Very in close knit all over weaving. See the very pretty weave. 3650 with a contrast blouse, contrast border, contrast pallu. 3650, chiku color, I mean beige color with red weave. It's actually chandan color, exact chandan color. Sandalwood color, sandal color. 3650, zari only in between the flowers, very little zari. It's all over weave without, I mean the least zari, those who don't want much zari. Very pretty. Only the zari is in between the flower buta. 3650 rupees. Now same that I am wearing, all the sarees are same weave except the color is different. Navy blue with turquoise blue. Navy and sky color combination, even this color combination is so sweet. $3650 for this. Very stunning piece of soft Bengal cotton dhakai. See the color? Absolutely different from the previous episode. Now the same weave with zari. 133650, grey and green. All zari. You also need these kind of rich weaves all over zari with pallu. 3650, product number 13. No blouse, copper zari. Wear it with this green blouse. Simple cotton green blouse will look very pretty. Or grey. Another combination with grey, same weave, that was with green border, this is with the red border. All the colors look so rich. Copper zari. Red pallu, 3650. Ideal for gifting, you know, Bengal product, traditional weave, soft cottons, and you know, but with a rich look, and you know, these very comfortable to wear also. Throughout the year you can wear this. a bottle green solid color, all zari. Because of the upcoming season, these rich zari weaves look very, very gorgeous. 3,600 for this. 3600. Product number 15. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamin Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Car park is there. Sundays we are open every day till Durga Puja. Cash on delivery in Kolkata only with an additional charge. Outside Kolkata via courier. International shipping is done regularly. The shipping charges depends on the weight and the destination. And those who have the are in Kolkata, please visit. As I said, I've already mentioned the addresses. It's also going in the scroll. And for those who are want cash on delivery, please WhatsApp to any one of the number. For booking also, any one of the number for that particular product, 7603042696, and there's the other number also. No calls, only WhatsApp. Once I confirm the availability of the product, I will give you the business account bank details. With proper GST invoice will go with all products. Once the payment is done, first come first serve basis, the product will be shipped within 3 days, and then you'll receive it, and please send a feedback when you receive the product. This is in pink color with copper zari, very soft soothing color. 3650. Mint with copper zari. You will love the dhakais in this episode. Even you can check out the previous episode once. We have repeats of those weaves also. These colors look really gorgeous, very sober, soothing, earthy tones, but this is in pista and copper zari. Light mintish color, you can say. Very cute color. See the pallu weave. Grey. Now grey and copper, another gorgeous weave. Oh yeah. Finally I managed. Cute color combinations, earthy tones but rich look, very pretty Bengal cotton dhakais, soft, lightweight and very comfortable. Everybody loves dhakai, even those who are, especially for gifting, these are very pretty. That was in pink, this is in peach copper. This we had another weave in a previous episode, that too is available now, and very good response we got in that weave. So this is another new weave that we've done in a similar kind of combination, a little deeper peach, coral type of a color with copper zari, all over heavy weave. 3,650 rupees. These look very good in just traditional jewelry and traditional makeup, these very rich weaves in minimum price. $3600. Dark maroon, number 20. Copper zari, pallu 3650. This will look nice with a red blouse also. Simple sleeveless red blouse, or even a maroon color, solid color blouse. Now some traditional Agomoni collection colors. White and Dudhe Alta red. White gold with a tinge of red. Red pallu. 3650, product number 21. Meena weave in the buttas all over. Our mothers would love this. Very pretty, very bong, very traditional. I have this single piece in a very pretty color. This is again Jamdani linen, tissue linen Jamdani. Only single piece, so thought of showing. It has a linen with tissue texture, silk linen with needle jamdani, gold and green alternate. No border as such, only border these buttas, jamdani muslin pallu, and all over body. This lovely shade of yellow, bright yellow with yellow running blouse piece. So here is the sari for you. Green blouse would look very pretty, or even the sari blouse. See the jamdani weave in the pallu. It's in muslin, the body is in linen. And the price of this is number 22, 4990. Another from the Agomoni collection, very reasonably priced, because I know this time of the year you need to gift a lot, and there is budget restraints also. Also for your personal use, you need white and red, where you need to work in the, especially those who have pujas in their house, they need to work the whole day, and you need something to just, lower range sari, but with a very pretty, gorgeous look. And here is this, only 2000 rupees. A very pretty jamdani, 2000 rupees only, soft cotton jamdani. See the pallu, 2000 rupees only. It's not hand woven. All over butta in stripe. Temple woven border. Actually, this part will come in your body part. So body part will have much more buta than your other part of the body. So this is your body part with loads of butas. This is the pallu part. 2000 only, just simple white and red cotton sari in Jamdani weave. Wear it with a red blouse, whatever you have at home, and it looks so gorgeous. See the weave. 2000 only, a very budget friendly sari in a very good quality soft cotton. Now coming to product number, again back to Dhakai, Meena Buta in black copper zari, product number 24, 3250, product number 24. A very glamorous, gorgeous color combination, especially with the neon yellow and magenta buta in copper zari. Jet black. Wear it with a sleeveless jet black blouse or a shirt or maybe Rani color. $3250 pallu. Once again the sari for you. Meena weave all over, soft cotton, Dhakai. Number 25, the weave that I am wearing, same thing in monotone, solid color. It's a sea green color sari. With this, of course, you can wear a same color blouse or a white and green printed or a lemon green printed blouse, or if you want something absolutely contrast, go for a blue and green Rajasthani printed blouse, ajrak blouse in blue greens. Lovely colors you can mix and match with this. I love this color. See the weave, so much of gorgeous heavy weave. Price 3650 rupees, product number 25 in sea green. Very pretty color. Wow, it's such a soothing color, especially for the day. It's a day wear color, very pretty color. You can flaunt your jewelry. And the last one, 3650, product number 26. Another rich combination in navy and green. ₹3,650 again. Navy and green. See, these are not even tagged. It has just come and I've just said that just let me show these. They are not even barcode is also incomplete in this. So just randomly I'm showing you 3,650 rupees. I'm glad this has just arrived. The parcel I just opened and I thought of showing it. Beautiful color combination, rich color. And the one that I'm wearing, same price, 3650. In rich wine color with turquoise blue weave, 3,650 rupees for this too. No blouse piece. I'm wearing my personal blouse of another sari, and the neck piece that I'm wearing is 2,550 rupees, 2,550 for this garnet embedded silver and beadwork, and it has this jhumkas also with tassels. Very neat work, and this goes with a lot of saris. Any sari, these kind of colors go. And the pair of balas that I'm wearing, it is with screw, so you can open and wear it. See, it's a little heavy quality metal. 2500 for the pair, 2550 I think, 2500 for the pair of balas. And the mannequin is wearing a very gorgeous red. Dhaka is absolutely incomplete without a red color, and that too with all over self red on red jamdani. Similar weave, almost like what I am wearing. 3650 for this too, and I have mixed and matched the model with this this tussar katha stitch blouse. Tussar katha stitch blouse, ready-made blouse, front and back, throughout it will have work. Size is still 42, 36 to 42 size, all over pure tussar nakshi katha multicolored blouse, ready-made. So these are also available, 2650 rupees for the blouse, ready-made blouse, front and back full work, and the sari is 3650 rupees. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the episode. Please leave a comment in the after you watch the video, please. Thank you so much, and share your photos. Namaskar.